My name is Seema Ved. I'm the Vice Chairperson of the Apparel Group. Apparel started in 1997 with Nine West. It was basically, we went for a buying trip for another brand, and my husband noticed that I went into Nine West to buy one pair of shoes and I came out buying 9. So he said, why are you buying 9 pairs of shoes? And I said, because we don't have it in Dubai. And that's how it all started. It was from a shopping spree actually. Basically today we have 55 plus brands, we're 1250 plus stores, and we hope to grow and more as we get loved by our valued customers. As long as they're popular in their home bases and have enough multiple stores, more than hundreds of them, we know then that they know how to work with bigger companies, and we know they understand logistics, they understand global networks and global distribution. So then we just bring them on board. But of course, popularity makes a difference. Sometimes we just come by them with luck. Like Tom's, my daughter was ordering online and she told my husband, can you pick up 6 pairs for her friends? And that's how we decided, if kids want Tom's, then that's what we're going to get. So it's usually customer demand or demand within the family or within the company. That's how we find out. That's how we started, so we know how to do that really well. And now what's happening is it's a domino effect. As and when we get successful with one type of genre of segment or segment of market, more brands from that segment tend to come to us and say, please take us, which is great for us. So as and when we feel that yes, why not? Like if there is going to be a shoe store, it might as well belong to apparel. I think apparel is headed to go, we are already omni-channel. We do sell through online, through Dukani.com, and that works for us. But I think we're going to focus for the next couple of years to become even more omni-channel, which is going to be omni-channel marketing as well as omni-channel sales. So we're going to focus more on our digital sales, on our social media and on our online sales. So as I was telling a friend of mine, I still prefer the classics. So I still prefer, I will wear, my favorite is Naturalizer. I love BZs, which is the Naturalizer, one of the lines that they sell. They're the most comfortable shoes. You won't catch me in anything else. Like, I love BZs. And I love a lot of our brands. I still don't fit into some of our brands. So maybe eventually next year when I lose a little more weight, I will. World over, of course, I love Chanel, Missoni, the usual high-end ones. But I love even the runway collection now from Tommy Hilfiger. I think they're doing a fantastic job. Like I said, I think we go where our customers go. So we are definitely, of course, going to keep on expanding within this region because this is our home base. But I think we're also looking at expanding our digital presence. So we are going to go more online. Right now, we're selling to a lot of little towns and cities in India. And I think we just want to grow that more and more.
I'm Christian Kasha. I'm a celebrity stylist and a men's fashion blogger in UAE. I do mostly celebrity styling with a lot of Arabic celebrities, and I do talk about men's fashion. I focus about men's fashion, lifestyle, and now I'm more into the women as well. So that's why the apparel event here is very important to me, to know what's happening, what's trendy in the market now, and to get a glimpse on everything before anyone else. Blogging is becoming more and more important and influential now in the region. We're a bit late than other people, than the West, but we're catching them, hopefully soon. It is very important because people want to know personal experience and honest experience. So it's a bit different than the magazine and when you see in the magazine. So you see maybe a lot of trends in the magazine, but I can tell you maybe more what suits me. You see if you like to follow me, if you like my style, you can see how I do the things in my own way. So it's a different perspective, but altogether everything will make our media industry stronger and stronger. I've been dealing with apparel for a few years now, and I love working with them. So you see me at other events. I love the brands. They're very different from other brands in the market. The good thing as well is it's not expensive brands, so it's affordable, and the mass, it talks to the mass, to a lot of people, which is the majority here. So it makes job easy for me to, if you want, give an example of a good example of products that people can buy in the market. So Apparel have all these brands all together. And this is a perfect event because all the brands are here now. So you don't have to go to all these events alone. I'm very edgy. Sometimes I like to go classic, depends on the events that I go to. But like today, I'm not a suit person. So you won't see a shirt, you won't see a tie. I don't like it. So I'd like to go for a bit more a sporty, casual look. But when you have to put this tie, which I hate. But yeah, I'm more into the casual. Future plans, a brand, maybe Apparel can take it, or maybe I can compete with them. So make sure you like me, Apparel, and make sure I'm on your side.